Shaanxi Bohong Health Industry Company Limited, established in 2015, is a national high-tech enterprise integrating the research and development, production, sales, and export of plant extracts. The company is dedicated to providing plant extract raw materials to the global health food, functional food and beverage, pharmaceutical and cosmetic, pesticide and feed industries. Our factory covers an area of over 20,000 square meters and has been certified by ISO, Halal, Kosher, HACCP, QS and SC certifications, and etc. It is equipped with strictly standard production workshops and advanced vacuum drying and spray drying equipment. A fully enclosed stainless steel plant extraction production line ensures high standards and efficiency in the production process. Additionally, Bohong has a professional R&D team and a complete laboratory equipped with state-of-the-art equipment. As of 2025, Shaanxi Bohong Biotechnology Company Limited has obtained over 50 intellectual property rights and patents. We provide on-stop solutions from brew raw materials to finished products, ensuring seamless supply chain integration for our global partners. Bohong people have always believed that integrity, quality, and innovation are the foundation of our company's sustainable development and the basis of our customer service. Contributing to our customers' success is Bohong's greatest success. We specialize in the precise extraction of natural plant-based active ingredients and strive to become a world-class supplier of raw materials for the health industry.